Good morning, my name is Destiny Smith. Today is September 17, 2017, and I will be discussing the four major types of tissue in the body. I will start with the epithelial tissue, and the functions of the epithelial tissue is to provide the body with the first layer of protection, which includes the chemical, physical, and biological wear and tear of the body. The epithelial tissue the epithelial cells are rapidly reproducing and repairing. The structure of the epithelial tissue is tightly junctioned. In other words, it does not allow intercellular minerals inside of it. It is fitted together, so it's really tightly compact, and the structure has a basement membrane and a free surface. The basal is connected to the connective tissue, and then the free surface is exposed. These tissues can be found in the airways, in the digestive tract, in the urinary and reproductive system, and the bodily cavities. Next, I will be discussing the functions of a connective tissue. This includes connecting the tissues to the organs, protection of the delicate organs, transporting fluids, nutrients, waste, chemical messages throughout the body. This structure of connective tissues contain three major components, which is the ground substance, the fibers, and the cells. You can find these connective tissues in the bones, underneath the skin, tendons, ligaments, fat, blood, and cartilage. The functions and structures of a muscle tissue can be broken down into three. First, you have the skeletal muscle tissue, which provides the body with heat. It protects the organs and it allows voluntary movement. And the structure is a long cylinder, fibers, striated with many located nuclei. It is found at the entrance points like the mouth, and then it is attached to the bones as well. Next would be the cardiac muscle tissue, which is located in the heart, and it contracts to pump blood. And with this structure is a short branched, striated with a single nucleus. Central nucleus. The functions of a smooth muscle is responsible for involuntary movement in the internal organs like the digestive tract, the urinary, and the reproductive system, as well as the airways and arteries. And this structure is a short spindle shaped, non-striated with a single nucleus in each fiber. Next would be the functions of a nerve tissue. The functions of a nerve tissue is capable of sending and receiving electrochemical messages that provide the body with information. The structures can be broken down into two main classes. These two main classes are the neurons and the neuroglia, which is also known as the glia. The neuron structure consists of a large cell body, which consists of the nucleus of the cell and many processes, which called the dendrites, and the dendrites extend away from the cell body and are important because they receive electro signals called nerve impulses. The glia is composed of different cells. And these cells all work together as a protective layer of these the neural they're like the protective layer, but the astrocyte cells are known for their star shape. The cylindrites cell produces myelin, and that is in the central nervous system, and the Schwann cell provides myelin in the peripheral nerve system. And those are your four major types of tissues, their structure, as well as their functions. Thank you.